Hey guys, welcome to another video in Purified Code. So, what is curl? Curl is basically a command line version of postman. Hope you have heard about postman. Postman is a uh, basically an API testing tool, but I have seen like most of the people use it even for testing a single API and stuff. But postman basically is a huge application built in Electron, and it takes a lot of memory. So curl is the alternative for postman, and it is built in every OS including Windows. So to start the testing, we are gonna use a website called jsonplaceholder.tpcode.com, which I will leave it in the description. It is a website that gives us URLs for testing, which is just a fake API built for testing purposes alone. So how do you start using curl? Open your command line. If you're on Linux, open your terminal. First, I will show it in the Ubuntu terminal running on WSL. I have copied the URL from the website, and let's start testing a GET request first. The first step is to type curl space and paste your URL that you are gonna fetch data for, and hit enter. This will give you the data from the REST API that is hosted on the website that we saw earlier. Let's start testing in PowerShell. It's the same command, curl, on the URL that you have to paste. In PowerShell, the output will be a bit different, but your output can be seen in the content key of the output. And if you are on command prompt, the same command you type and will tell return the output just like what we saw on Linux and Mac. Let's start testing a post request. So in this website, we can see like there is a resource for creating a post request. Basically, I will leave the URL anyway. All you have to do is curl -d and the JSON data that you have to post that I have copied in my Sublime text. Now the next step is to provide a header to specify the content type. So you have to type -h and then paste content type application / JSON, since it's a JSON that we are posting. The next step is to paste the URL at the last. Since we have provided data, it will automatically recognize it as a post request. We can also specify it as a post request by using -x post. Next we will see put request and how to do a put request in curl. Type curl -x put in capitals put, and then type the URL that you have to you have to put -d, and you have to put the JSON value that you need to update, and then you have to provide a header which specifies the content type, like we did for the post request. It should be content type application / JSON, and then you have to paste the URL. This will give the data for put request. And that's it. Thanks for watching.